Well, hello everybody. How you guys doing today, huh? So long no video, right? Well, I think I made a decision on this thing. I'm not gonna be calling this the Star Wars build anymore because I can visualize what this thing's gonna look like when I get it done. And I think it would be better if I changed it over to doing something more of like a wasteland, steampunk type of thing for the finished look, because the Star Wars idea was just gonna, you know, it was gonna have panels and, you know, black and white, something that you could see a stormtrooper driving around on. But I can visualize what the thing's gonna look like in both formats with both themes, and I think the futuristic Wastelander theme would look way better on this than the Star Wars theme. So I'm gonna be calling this like the Wasteland build or whatever. I'll come up with a name with it, but it'll be something different. What I've worked on just in the past few days, coming in and out of here, this, and you know, measuring, doing a bunch of measuring and stuff, but these are going to be, these are what the bearings are going to be connected to. And here, let me turn on the light here. There we go. These points here, these are going to be welded onto the crossbars down there, the lengthy bars. And then the bearings are going to be put on there like that, bolted on, so I'll be able to adjust them. I'll put the bearings in here, jack shaft, and then I'll be able to go forward and back like that. So that's what these are for. Oop. All right. Okay. Jeez, it says my battery's low. What? All right. But anyways, yeah, but I have to go down. I have to get some bolts for these before I actually weld everything into place, because I want to make sure it's all going to line up right. Now for the steering, I've got these 1/2-inch hem joints that I bought back in the day when I was building the front end for the full screen machine. But the problem is that all the ones that I used on the full screen machine are all right-handed threading, and I have 4. One, two, three, 4. Yeah, I've got 4 1/2-inch left-handed thread, and they're half, you know, they're 1/2-inch, right? You know, the width is 5, you know, 1/2-inch. But the threading is 20 threading. So any of you guys out there who have any lathes or can make me some bungs for this, that would be awesome. I need 4 of them. that I'll be able to take these, and because they're left-handed thread, screw into the bung, and then I'll be able to have the bung and I'll be able to weld that onto the steering rod that's going to be connecting my steering stuff together. And I'm going to need 4. Yeah, 4. 1 for each one of these. So any of you guys want to help out, that'd be great. But yeah, they are 20 thread. And yeah, I need 4 of those. It did come with these did come with nuts, but there's not enough here for me to put this onto a pipe and weld. You know, it's they're thin nuts, and so yeah, I would much rather get some bungs to screw these things into. 1/2 inch by 20 thread. But anyways, guys, this is just a little quick heads up about what I've been working on with this thing. I've been doing a lot of the stuff around the house here too, but you know, life gets in the way. So now once I get those pieces welded into place and get the jack shaft semi set up, I'm going to be tearing the rear end of the mini bike apart, because I have to take that type of setup of the wheel and put it on the front of this. So I'm going to have to do that. But yeah, there we go. That's what we're doing so far. I got to drill the holes here for the bearings. Yeah. Does that look familiar, Adsar? Yeah. But anyways, guys, I'm going to jump out of here. Just thought I'd do this real quick video showing you guys what I've done, what I'm doing with the plan. The executive decision is going to be. Alright, see you guys later.